This 5-minute solution will show you how to hide chat on Snapchat. So if you're trying to hide a specific conversation, just follow these quick steps to hide text on Snapchat. And the process will be similar for Android and iPhone device. Open your Snapchat app, open chats. Now open the conversation, which one you want to hide. Tap on the chat name at the top. Tap on this three dot at the top right. Chat settings. Tap on clear from chat feed. And this will clear the conversation from your feed. It will not delete any saved or sent messages in your conversation. So tap on clear. As you can see, the conversation has been hid. And to unhide the conversation, tap on this search icon at the top left and search for the contact. Open it. Again send a message and the conversation will be unhid. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.